In this training video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can drive traffic, website visitors to any system, program and affiliate link. Step by step, I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to show you how you can use a free traffic method to do this. And the traffic method that I'm going to share with you is being used by some of the top internet marketers as well. So I'm going to walk you through step by step how to quickly get some traffic and get some real human eyeballs to your offer, to your system, to your program, to your website. It could be anything you want to promote. You can do this. So let's dive into this video. Okay, so you can see a dashboard down here. On this dashboard, I am going to get some quick traffic. As you can see here, you can see here, recipients counted over 11 million members. Okay, clicks generated over 428,000 clicks so far has been generated. Okay, as you can see, I have sent out a couple of campaigns down here as well. All right, so I could go into my, basically if I just go into mailing, if I go into the history, okay, and I can show you some real proof down here. Okay, if I scroll down, you could see here that I have sent out a couple of campaigns using this free traffic method. Okay, and you can see here the highest one was this one with 41 clicks to my offer. Okay, so it's one of the best campaigns that I have sent out to 500 people. All right, so how does this work? You join this free traffic source, okay, absolutely free. Create a free account, and then you just want to look at other people's campaigns, and every time you look at other people's campaigns, okay, they give you credit, and you use that credit to actually send out a traffic campaign to other people. Okay, so you can see here that I have a credit of 1,355. So this is what I'm going to use to create my quick traffic campaign. So let's do this right now in front of your eyes, and let me show you how you can instantly get traffic. Now remember, because this is a free traffic network, you have to be persistent. Do it on a daily basis, constantly. You have to do it. Just doing it 1 or 2 times is not going to get you any kind of incredible results here. Okay, so let's do this right now, and let me show you how this works. Okay, so I'm going to click on create email, and then how many credits would you like to use? I've only got 1,300 credits, so I'm going to use 1,000. That means 1,000 people are going to receive this email. Okay, and then I'm going to use one of my previous email. So let's see what this is all about. This is a very important email to inform you that you have one new video, click to view your message, etc., etc. And then down here, I am just going to put my website address here. Okay, so let's just copy from here, paste it into this. Okay, and then once it's pasted, I am going to, okay, so you can see here everything is just looking good. So you want to read through this. All right, I'm just trying to make this video very short and quick and nice. So you can see here some of the people are featured down here. These are the paid members. They probably bought a subscription or paid a one-time fee to be featured down here. As you've seen that they have over 1 million members. Okay, so people, whenever they log in, they'll see this. If the text message or the banner is something that's standing out, they might click on it, and they might want to see what this is all about. Okay, so you could become a featured member down here as well by becoming a paid member or a subscription member as well. Okay, so if I scroll down, you can see here that I already have 1,300 credits. I'm going to use 1,000 credits and to send out a campaign, and they're going to use that as a credit. Now, just because I'm sending out an email does not mean I'm going to get clicks, and obviously if I don't get clicks, then there's no kind of you know what I'm talking about here. Okay, so we're looking for clicks, because first you need to get the traffic, you need to get the clicks, and once that clicks have come into place, then after the clicks, then we can talk about other stuff down here. So I'm just sharing a free traffic source here. Like I promised you that I'm going to continue to bring up very good traffic sources, paid traffics and free traffics, and I am going to continue to show you how you can drive traffic, because in my opinion, when it comes to building a business online, especially when it comes to affiliate marketing, promoting someone else's product, 80% is all about traffic. If you can get traffic, and you could get traffic instantly on your fingertips like a switch button, 80% of your problem have been solved. Now it's just the 20% where you have to learn how to convert that traffic into leads and sales. Okay, so I'm trying to solve that 80%, which is one of the biggest reason why people struggle online. Okay, so you can see here, I've got this here. I'm going to click on send message, and this message is going to go out to 1,000 people. All right, so I know that that message has been gone out. Let me just check it quickly here. Let me go to the history. Okay, so if I come to the history here, you can see here, there you go, this is the message that I just sent out. It's going to go out to 1,000 people, and I'm going to see how much opens I get, how many clicks I get. So this is the status, it's in queue, and it's going to go out, and then you will see that it will reflect down here that 1,000 credits have gone. I've only got 355 credits, so I could build that up by looking at other people's ads. Okay, and the reason for looking at other people's ads is, one of the reasons is to build a credit, but at the same time, sometimes some ad just pops out, stands out. You just want to see what this is all about. You just don't know. One of the ad might just be so powerful that it might just help you boost your business. Okay, so this was a very short video. I just wanted to share this quick free traffic source that you can use if you don't want to go into paid traffic and you don't want to do any kind of paid campaign. That's okay. This is a free traffic source that you can use, but like I said, because it's free, it has to be done on a regular basis. You have to become a creative. You have to have a creative mindset, come up with different angles, different titles, different messages, trying to see which campaign is going to get you the most clicks. Okay, and you have to keep on testing and then spill out all the winners that you have, and then use those winners to continue to get traffic. Okay, so that's all for now. I will see you in the next video.